and welcome back to my channel. So as you see in today's title, I'm going to be giving everything you need in your emergency school kit, and these are our essentials. So before we get into this video, please give it a like, don't forget to comment and subscribe. Turn post notifications because I was opening on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I'm going to give y'all a dorm tour because y'all see that I'm in a different area. But I'm going to give y'all a dorm tour soon and more college content on the way, so subscribe. Now let's get into this video. Okay, so this is my emergency kit, and I got this from Target. It was about like $8, I think, something like that, on that area. So they weren't that expensive, and it's cute. It was like one of the cutest ones that they had, and I love pink, as y'all know. And I'm just gonna go through the things that I have in this bag and some like the essential items that you guys need if you're in college, like you're a senior, freshman, whatever. And most of the stuff is for females, so guys, you can just like pick it out, whatever you use. So the first thing that I have is a lotion. Normally people use like travel size lotion, but I have this big bottle. I got it from Pink, and it's a chiffon fragrance, and it's body cream, and that's what, if y'all can see it, that's what I use. Y'all can use any type of lotion, but you don't want to be ashy, especially in the winter when your hands are dry and you walking out here with crusty hands, crusty elbows, crusty knees. Like, no, you don't want to do that. So pick up the lotion, put it on before you go, and make sure you have it when you're in school, when your hands get dry and you're just looking dry. Next thing I have is tissue. I know personally for me, I sneeze a lot and I need a lot of tissue, so I keep that with me all the time. If your girl has allergies or a person that has allergies, then tissue is really important. If not, like, I just feel like tissue is an essential item that you need to just have with you, like, at all times. The next item I think everybody would relate to are AirPods, or any type of headphones that you have. It can be the wires, it can be Beats, whatever. But this is my little Hello Kitty case, and Hello, she a little dirty, don't even mind that. But I feel like I can't go anywhere without my headphones, or I'm gonna feel like naked. Like, just being out in public, I don't have my headphones, that's just weird to me. So always have your headphones. That is like, I think this is the #1 item. Out of anything in this little bag, it's the #1 item, because I can never leave anywhere without my headphones. Because how you gonna listen to music? I'm not on speaker, like, let's go. Next, we are in a panoramic, so you need hand sanitizer at all times. This has aloe vera. I mean, it really doesn't have to be nothing special. Just have some hand sanitizer, because you don't know where other people's hands have been, what they've been touching, if they sick, if they got germs, and you're walking around here eating with no hand sanitizer and just touching stuff. Like, that's just nasty, and you don't want to have COVID or spread COVID, so use hand sanitizer. Next, I feel like I should put the bag here so like I can't keep turning around. Next, I either have sanitary pads or you can have tampons, whichever one floats your boat. But I just feel like you should have these also at all times, because you never know when Auntie Flo is gonna come and rock your world. So you need to have tampons, or you need to have pads at all times, just to make sure, you know, you're not bleeding through your clothes now, because that's embarrassing. This is probably the #2, or like the second essential item in this bag, is deodorant. If you do not have on deodorant, then you are smelling musty and you cannot cover it up with no lotion or perfume. So you need deodorant. I just feel like we know this, y'all. I think we do. But this is the kind that I have. It literally can be any kind you want, you have with you. Just make sure it's deodorant and that it can last, and then you can wear it, because the last thing you want to do is smell musty, and you don't want nobody coming up to you saying that you smell musty. So make sure you already have this. And also, I don't have it in this bag because it's kind of big, but body spray or perfume is like another thing that you can always use. But make sure deodorant, because body spray is not going to cover how you smell. Next, we have edge control. I use Edge Booster, and I used to use, I forget the name of it, but I used something else. But Edge Booster, like, I don't know if y'all can see, this DC heat is like ridiculous. But my edges have lasted today compared to other days. Normally they just sweat off. But I think Edge Booster is really, really good. But I feel like if you're in a really warm place, then it's probably not the best product, but it's working for me. But just having edge control, I mean, you want to lay down your edges. That's a part of looking cute, unless you don't care. I mean, that's cool too. But edge control is always handy. You can't just have edge control without having a little brush. Because how you gonna do your edges unless you got something else? But this is literally from the beauty supply store for like $1.99 at most. So perfect combination, edge control and a brush will save your life. I'm not gonna put this on my bed because it's greasy. And I'm not trying to mess up my sheets today. Next thing is lip gloss. You can use any type of lip gloss. This is just lip oil, and I use it as my lip gloss, which is on my lips right now. And again, like, you don't want to have dry, crusty lips, like you don't want to have crusty hands or elbows. So just put on some lip gloss or some lipstick or some chapstick, whatever you have, and your lips will be all set to go. Especially in the winter, like, you want to keep it hydrated or your lips will crack, and that's not good. This is probably, no, actually this is probably the most important item in the bag, and then other stuff follows. But a mask. Mask up. Just mask up. I think we should all know this by now. It's literally so simple. Mask, it could be any mask, paper, cotton, N95, whatever you want to use. Just have it, wear it, and don't forget it. And have extra in your little bag, because these little blue masks, you drop it, you don't want to put it back on, it's just been on the floor, or you lose it. Just have extra in your bag, because these are #1 essentials. Your next item you need is a charger. It can be a portable charger, or it can just be like one of the regular chargers. Sometimes I'll keep this with me, sometimes I won't. But if you just, you know, you don't want to be out someplace and then your phone is dead and you can't use it because you don't have a charger, so just bring this. And honestly, wherever you are, I bet you can plug up, wait, we're gonna be in school, you can plug up anywhere, put it in the socket and just use it, and it'll be a really good item for you to have, just in case your phone dies or whatever happens. But I have a black hair tie, and well, I have other colors too, but a hair tie period is something that you can use if you have like regular straight hair, braids, if you want to put your hair back because it's too hot, or you want to try different styles. The hair tie is always good to use, and it's kind of like an item that you might not always remember, but it's just good to have in your bag unless you want to put your hair up and you do different styles or whatever you want to do. And this is kind of like the last item basically, but I have mascara, if you can see that, as one of them. This is just like something that I use all the time, a beauty product that you want to have in your bag if you want to look cute and like you're taking pictures or whatever and you don't have nothing for your eyes. Mascara is the way to go. Or if you're a girl that already has something on her eyes like lashes, you don't want to have you're probably not gonna need mascara, but you can have lashes on. Don't forget your lashes. Like a #1 necessity for me is lashes, or putting on mascara, because I look naked without them, or I just look, I don't know, I look like I'm 12 without lashes, like I'm so young. And you can't put on lashes for real without using lash glue. Both of these, or like all of these items I got at the beauty supply store, and this wasn't, it wasn't $1, maybe $3, I don't know. But it's the clear lash glue, and it's a super strong hold, so if you in the wind or your lashes about to fly away, don't worry, you'll have lash glue, because the last thing you want are your lashes to be flying up or they're lifting and you can't do anything about it because you don't have your lash shield, so burn it. So Lisa babes, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a like, don't forget to comment, well, give it a like, don't forget to comment and subscribe. Turn on notifications because I have this uploaded on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Please tune in for this college content because baby, it's going to be so good. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.